So with pressure washers, there's a couple different styles of fitting. You've got this twist style, which I think is a metric thread with like a 3/8 O-ring right up in there, and that's going to be your most common style. And then they have a quick connect style, sort of like an air hose. You pull this back, unlocks it, you can drop this on. Now I got this new 3/8 hose, 50 foot long. Most of your pressure washers come with a pretty short hose, so it's kind of nice to get a longer hose. But it uses this style. My pressure washer is this style. So they have a conversion kit for that. I'd recommend getting this one right here. I bought this at Harbor Freight. It's only like $14 or $15, so really pretty reasonable. I think after tax it was like $16. But this will convert your pressure washer over to this style. So we just got to thread our adapter on here. And the nice thing about this kit is we can install it onto our hose as well. And then I'll have 75 feet of hose that I can easily shorten by 25 feet. Or I can keep the 25-foot hose on for applications close to the pressure washer and then put the 50-foot hose on when I need to do a basement or something. So I'm going to go ahead and thread these on, but it's very straightforward. You can see this just tightens right on there. And then we'll take this fitting here and connect that onto this hose so that we can click that onto there. And then we'll thread one of these onto the gun, and we'll thread this onto the other end of the hose, just like this. And I really do think this style is a lot nicer because we can just hook that up on there, and if we want to take the hose off and coil it up so it's easy to haul in a van or something, it's super easy to do that. And now I've got this really long hose that I can throw on there. I'm sure that you can get this adapter kit online as well. I will link into this description to this exact hose that I got. It's like a $45 hose, but it's really flexible. It's also a larger diameter, so the water delivery should be a little bit better, especially over that longer distance. But it's just nice kind of having a kink-free one. The ones that they come with are always like squishing over, so they're not as high quality. So now when I want to use the heavier hose, just disconnect it, connect that hose to my pressure washer wand, and away I go. So anyway, hope that you found that video helpful, and I will talk to you later.